Would you believe me if I said that you can clean every blind in your house in under 10 minutes total, without taking them down, without making a mess, and without that exhausting slat-by-slat wiping method everyone uses? What if there's a technique so brilliantly simple that once you see it, you'll be angry nobody told you sooner? I avoided cleaning my blinds for months because I dreaded the process. Then I discovered this method, and now it's actually enjoyable. Watch to the end, because this will change your life. The task we all avoid. Let's be brutally honest. When was the last time you actually cleaned your blinds? Not just dusted them lightly, actually cleaned them. If you're like most people, you avoid this task completely because it's genuinely miserable. Taking each blind down, wiping every single slat individually, dealing with the dust that goes everywhere, your hands getting filthy, the whole process taking hours. And when you're finally done, your back hurts, you're covered in dust, and you swear you'll never let them get that dirty again. But then months pass, and you're right back where you started. I had blinds in my home that I hadn't properly cleaned in over a year. I'm not proud of this, but it's the truth. Every time I looked at them, I felt guilty. They were visibly dusty. Some had stains I couldn't identify. They made my whole room look dingy. But the thought of spending an entire afternoon cleaning them was so overwhelming that I just kept postponing it. Then I was having guests over, and I had no choice. I had to clean them. I was mentally preparing for hours of misery when I stumbled upon a method that seemed too good to be true. And when I tested it, I finished cleaning all 6 blinds in my house in under 30 minutes. I was absolutely shocked. The revolutionary method. Here's the technique that changed everything. For horizontal blinds, close them completely so all the slats are flat and facing the same direction. Put on an old sock over your hand like a glove. Dip your sock-covered hand in a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar. Now here's the genius part. Pinch each slat between your thumb on top and fingers underneath, and slide your hand across. You're cleaning both sides of the slat simultaneously in one motion. This is 4 times faster than wiping each side separately. I tested this method on blinds that were embarrassingly dusty. One slide of my hand, and the entire slat was clean. Both sides, top and bottom, in 1 second. I moved to the next slat. Same result. Within 3 minutes, I'd cleaned an entire blind that would have taken me 20 minutes with the old method. The dust and grime transferred onto the sock instead of floating into the air. When the sock got too dirty, I rinsed it, wrung it out, and continued. Simple. Fast. Effective. The results that amazed me. The difference was astounding. Blinds I thought were just old and discolored were actually just incredibly dirty. After cleaning, they looked almost new. The white blinds in my kitchen went from grayish-brown to actually white. The sunlight coming through them was noticeably brighter because they weren't filtering light through a layer of grime. My entire home felt cleaner and brighter just from clean blinds. Why this works better? The sock method works because you're using texture and moisture simultaneously. The fabric provides gentle abrasion that removes stuck-on grime. The vinegar solution cuts through grease and dissolves dust, and cleaning both sides at once simply saves time without sacrificing results. It's not a shortcut that compromises quality. It's just a smarter approach to the same task. There it is. The blind cleaning method that takes minutes instead of hours. Sock glove for horizontal blinds, spray and wipe for vertical blinds, both using simple vinegar and water solution. If this just made a dreaded chore actually manageable, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more surprisingly easy cleaning methods. Share this with anyone who's been avoiding their dirty blinds. Comment how long it's been since you cleaned yours. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay smart, clean efficiently, and enjoy your spotless blinds.